For the next 10 seconds, forget PlayStation, forget PC, and forget mobile gaming, because today we are diving deep into the complete evolution of Xbox, from the original Xbox to the monster called Series X. If you ever wondered how Xbox became so powerful, so user-friendly, and so developer-focused, then this video will answer everything step by step. Before we start, I want to be transparent with you. Yes, this video is made with the help of artificial intelligence, but every single fact, trick, setting, and solution you hear here is 100% real, practical, and tested by gamers, technicians, forums, Reddit users, tech websites, and YouTube communities. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to solve many Xbox-related problems by yourself without wasting money or time. If you face any difficulty, drop a comment and I will reply within 1 hour. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more deep tech content like this. Now let us go back to the year 2001, when Microsoft entered the console market with the original Xbox. This was Microsoft's first gaming console, and it was built like a tank. The original Xbox used an Intel Pentium 3 processor and an NVIDIA graphics chip, which was extremely rare for consoles at that time. One of the biggest advantages of the original Xbox was the built-in hard drive. Other consoles required memory cards, but Xbox allowed game saves, music storage, and downloadable content directly on the internal drive. This single decision later shaped the future of console gaming. Another revolutionary feature was Xbox Live. Xbox Live introduced structured online multiplayer with voice chat, friend lists, and matchmaking. Gamers could finally talk to each other using headsets instead of typing messages. A common trick from old Xbox users was ripping music CDs directly to the hard drive and using them as custom background music inside games. This feature still inspires modern consoles today. However, the original Xbox was heavy, bulky, and power-hungry. It also struggled in markets like Japan. But Microsoft learned fast, and those lessons led to the Xbox 360. In 2005, Xbox 360 changed everything. This console focused heavily on online gaming, achievements, and digital marketplaces. Xbox Live Arcade introduced downloadable games and demos. Achievements and gamerscore created addiction in a good way. People started competing not just in games but in profiles. Technically, Xbox 360 used a custom IBM Power PC processor and ATI graphics. It supported high-definition gaming, which was a big deal at that time. But it also had a massive problem known as the Red Ring of Death. This issue was caused by overheating and poor solder joints. Microsoft lost billions but gained trust by extending warranty and fixing consoles for free. A powerful trick many users still do not know is that Xbox 360 had hidden system cache clearing. You could go to System Settings, then Storage, then highlight the hard drive. Press Y button and clear system cache to fix many game freezing issues. Another trick was disabling background downloads while gaming to reduce lag on slow Wi-Fi connections. The Xbox 360 era also introduced party chat, cloud saves, and cross-game voice communication. These features became industry standards later. In 2013, Microsoft released Xbox One, and this launch was controversial. The focus shifted from pure gaming to an all-in-one entertainment system. Xbox One integrated TV, apps, voice control using Kinect, and multitasking. However, always online requirements and DRM confusion caused backlash. Microsoft listened again. Over time, Xbox One transformed into a powerful and flexible platform. Xbox One X later became the most powerful console of its generation. It supported native 4K resolution, better textures, and stable frame rates. A very useful trick on Xbox One and One X is power cycling. If your console feels slow or apps crash, turn off the console completely, unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect and start again. This clears temporary cache and fixes many issues instantly. Another underrated feature is background app suspension. If games stutter, close all running apps manually instead of leaving them in the background. Also, setting your display output correctly helps a lot. Go to Settings, then go to Display and Sound, then Video Output. Then set resolution and refresh rate based on your TV capability. Now comes the current generation champion, Xbox Series X. This console is built for raw power and speed. It uses a custom AMD Zen 2 processor and RDNA 2 graphics. Load times are extremely fast due to the NVMe solid-state drive. Quick Resume allows multiple games to pause and resume instantly. One major trick with Quick Resume is knowing when to disable it. Online multiplayer games sometimes fail to reconnect properly. Closing the game fully before launching again solves this issue. Xbox Series X also supports variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and ray tracing. To get the best performance, go to Settings, then go to General, then TV and Display Options. Then enable 120 Hz if your display supports it. For Wi-Fi stability, always use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz if possible. Another powerful feature is Xbox Game Pass. Game Pass gives access to hundreds of games for a monthly fee. Many users do not realize that you can download games remotely using the Xbox mobile app. This saves time and allows updates to install while you are away. For storage management, avoid filling internal storage completely. Keep at least 10% free space to maintain system speed. Use expansion cards only for optimized games, and store older titles on external drives. Xbox Series X also supports backward compatibility extremely well. Many Xbox 360 and original Xbox games run with higher resolution and stable frame rates automatically. From Reddit and forums, one common solution shared by experienced users is resetting alternate MAC address when facing network issues. This fixes strange connectivity problems in many cases. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest and practical tech content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I promise to reply within 1 hour. Thanks for watching.